Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ellie. Today I am showing you guys how to make an Among Us Minecraft vent that actually works. And that's super cool. Anyways, let's get started with this build now. So let's go ahead and grab our materials. You want a block of iron, an Acacia Trapdoor, a oak sign, and a water bucket. So now let's get started on building the vent. I'm going to build the vent from this point all the way to the other edge of the room. Let's just create a quick path through both of the points, and we will actually be able to make a working vent from this side of the room to the other, and we can crawl through the vent. So now you just want to break the blocks like this to make it 2 blocks deep. And now you want to go ahead and grab blocks of iron and just fill in the bottom row and the flooring of the vent. It just gives me the feeling of a vent, and it looks like it has little dents in some pieces of metal. But you can always use another block that reminds you of a vent. Now you just want to go ahead and fill in the last few blocks. And now we are going to get to the trapdoors. Just place them like shown. It will be easier to get into the vents if you place it like I did, and just put the oak signs down right there next to the trapdoors on the bottom block, and just go ahead and put the block of quartz right there on top of the signs. Now I will show you. We are going to get to the crawling part, so you want to go ahead and grab your water bucket and actually place 2 buckets and just fill up this area with water. This is going to help you get into the crawling motion. So now I'm going to show you how the crawling actually works. So go ahead and just go into the water and just swim in it, and you can actually get into a crawling motion if you have. Now we just need to place the floor so it can continue to stay in this crawling motion as we crawl through the vent to the other side. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. Just go in there, close the trapdoor above you, and swim in the water. And now we can go through our vent as shown. It actually works just like an Among Us vent. Okay, so now let me show you how my vent works one more time. Open the trapdoor. Just go ahead and get into the hole, close the trapdoor above you, and get into the crawling motion and just crawl straight through. And now we can get up here and close the vent. And you can also connect the vent through 2 different rooms. So let's just say I put a wall right here. You can make one vent go to another room, and you can travel through the rooms without being seen really easily. And there we have it, our working vent, and it looks super cool. And that is the end of today's build. I hope you guys all enjoy having your Among Us Minecraft vent that actually works. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you in one of my later videos. And bye!